All right, we are live again with 7th period. Or 3rd period. All right. Okay, so here we go. Let's start looking at some questions. We're on question 229. Question 229 is on page 44. So we're looking at question 229 on page 44. It says, which diagram shows the construction of a 45-degree angle? I have a guess, but let me double check to make sure I'm right. I would say 3. It is 3. Way to go. I mean, none of these, this looks like an equilateral triangle with a median. This one, it looks like they copied the angle. This is the one that's got the 45-degree angle. Okay. Number 30. Which equation represents circle O shown in the graph below? All right, they were nice and marked the O for us. Sometimes they don't always do that, so that helped us. We know that this point is over 0 down 2. So 0, -2. And then what we're going to do is, we know the radius is 5. So 5 squared is 25. So we can knock out 1 and 2 because it's 4. Okay. And then it's 4. Yep. Excellent. Because we have to make sure we switch the -2 to +2. Question 231. What are the coordinates of the center of the circle and the length given this equation? Well, right away, we know this is r squared. So the square root of 16 is 4. So we can eliminate 1 and 2. Yep, it's 4. Then we switch the signs. So it is 4. Excellent job. Thank you. 232, be nice to each other. Now, this one is a trick question. If you read this quickly, I read it quickly and thought it was a triangle, but that's not what we're looking for. We need it to be a right triangle. So the way that we test for something to be a right triangle is Pythagorean Theorem. So basically, we have to do Pythagorean Theorem 4 times. Yep. So we've got, nope. So 1 squared plus 3 squared equals the square root of 10 squared. Well, 1 plus 9, does that equal 10? Yes. So it's not choice 1. 2 squared plus 3 squared equals 4 squared. Well, that's 4 plus 9 equals 16. 4 plus 9 is 13, so that's the one that we're going to pick. The answer is 2. Yep, not too bad. Yep. She done. Next page, 220 or 233. Okay. So 2 prisms have equal heights and equal volumes. So we have equal heights and we have equal volume. So right away, we're probably going to do something with Cavalier's principle. Okay, that's the one where I had another student stand next to me and we talked about cross sections. I think Harris was up in our class. Janae's come up before. The base of one is a pentagon. And the base of the other is a square. The area of the pentagon base is 36. What's the area of the square? It's going to be 36. Oh, wait. Hold on. What's the question say? No. It says, what's the length of each side of the square? Okay. So we know that the square has 36 as the area. It's 9. So we take the square root of 36, so it's 6. Oh, because 6 times 6 is 36. We're doing area, not perimeter. So the area's got to be the same, then we take that. 234. It is 6. A, B, and C, D intersect at point E. Here's my AB. Here's my CD. They intersect at E. Some of you are talking way too much. AB is 8. Oh, I'm sorry. AE is 8. AB is 20. So that means this piece has got to be 12 because 12 plus 8 is 20. DE is 16, and it wants this piece. So because it's chords inside of a circle, we're going to do part times part equals part times part. So we've got 16x equals 8 times 12. 6. Number 1. 33 is 1. 12 times 8 is 96. Divided by 16 is 6. Okay. That's it. 235. Those are tangents. Yep, tangents touch at one point.
So the secant is what it does.
The secant would be like it went through and out. It says AC and BC are tangent. Because they're tangent, we know that they're equal. If ACB is 38, it wants to know how many degrees is AOB. And this one I am blanking on how to do.
Oh, she said she doesn't know how to do it. Isn't it part of something? Ow!
Yeah, but it's an angle measure.
Oh. Don't we need to do arc to angle to find the arc?
This is what I think it is. I think if we draw this line, it splits it. So that means this is 19, this is 90. So we've got 180 minus 90, which is 90, minus 19, which is 71, because this is a triangle. Because if you draw, so 71 is this piece right here. And so since these are equal, it's going to be 71 times 2, so 142. So it's 3.
Can you explain how you did it again?
Yep. So I drew a line from circle O to C. And that split these triangles into equal pieces. I know that the tangent touches the radius or the circle at one point and forms a 90-degree angle. I also know that this ended up bisecting this angle. So since this whole angle is 38, half of 38 is 19. So then I did this triangle right here, 90 plus 180 minus 90 minus 19 meant that this angle here had to be 71. Because these two angles are the same, 71 plus 71 gives you 142.
So what are we trying? We're trying to find.
We're trying to find the green angle.
AOB.
This angle.
And you knew. So what made you pull out 180?
Because a triangle has 180 degrees.
Yeah, we know.
Okay. 236. Let's try to get 2 more done. 236. Actually, I want us to clean the room. We'll stop.
It's time to
Bye.